morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the next topics of areas of parallelograms and triangles. So one important point is that if two triangles are on the same base and between same parallel lines, then their areas are equal. For example, if you see this triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Here triangle ABC and triangle ADC, they are having the same base as AC and they are between the same parallel lines BC parallel to AD. So they are having BC parallel to AD as well as they are having the same base as AC. Now I can say that area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ADC. So whenever two triangles are on the same base and between same parallel lines, then we can say that the area of the two triangles are equal. Next, another important thing is that the second point, if a median is drawn from a vertex to opposite side, so if you are drawing a median from the vertex to the opposite side, then it divides the triangle into two equal area. So two triangles, it will be divided of equal area. Let us suppose this is a triangle PQR in which PA is median. So I can say that area of triangle PQA is equals to area of triangle PAR. It means that if there is a median PA, then we can say that area of triangle PAQ equals to area of triangle PAR. So these are the two important things. Now let us discuss few questions. Okay, we are discussing exercise 9.3. First question, E is any point on the median AD. So AD is the median, there is one point E of triangle ABC. We need to show that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle AC. So let us start doing the word solution. So in triangle ABC, AD is median. So in a triangle, if something is median, then we have the theorem that so area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC. So this we can mark it as first equation. Now since AD is median, we can call ED also median. Now ED is median. So since ED is median, we can write area of triangle EBD is equals to area of triangle ECD. Area of triangle EBD is equals to area of triangle ECD. We can mark this as second equation. So subtracting two from 1, so here we are going to get area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD is equals to area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle ECD. So from the total triangle, if I remove this EBD triangle, I'll get area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle AEC. So hence proved. So this is the first proof. Now let us see the exercise 9.3 second question. In triangle ABC is a point midpoint of median AD. So the same figure, A, B, C, AD is the median and E is the midpoint this time. E is not a point, E is the midpoint. So he is asking that area of triangle BED is equals to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC, that we need to prove. So let us start doing the word solution. So in triangle ABC, AD is median. Since AD is median, then we can write area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABD is half of area of triangle ABC. So these two are equal. So if I want the total area of triangle ABD, means it will be half of area of triangle ABC. We can mark this as first equation. Now ED is median. ED is median. So if ED is median, area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle EDC. So median will divide the triangle into two triangles of equal area according to that theorem. So we can write area of triangle BED will be half of area of triangle BEC. So we can mark this as second equation. Now BED, here ABD is there, so it's better to take B is the median. BE is median. If B is median, we can say that area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle ABE. So area of triangle BED is nothing but half of area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. So in place of area of triangle ABD, I can write half of. So from 1, we can write area of triangle BED is equals to 1/2 into, in place of area of triangle ABD, we can write 1/2 into area of triangle ABC. So it will become 1/4 into area of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle BED is equals to 1/4 into area of triangle ABC. So this is the required proof. So show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into 4 triangles of equal area. So let us take a parallelogram. So A, B, C, D. It is a parallelogram in which the diagonals are bisecting at O. So let us start doing the word solution for this. So in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram, diagonals will bisect each other. So we can say that AO is equals to OC and BO is equals to OD. Therefore, O is midpoint. So we can call it as median also. So in triangle ADC, OD is median. Why we are calling it as median means midpoint. If a line, suppose for a triangle, if you are drawing a line from the vertex to the opposite side, if it is touching at the midpoint, then we are going to call it as median. So in triangle ADC, OD is median. Then area of triangle ADO is equals to area of triangle COD. Mark it as first equation. Next, in triangle BCD, OC is median. So if OC is median, I can write area of triangle COD is equals to area of triangle BOC. Mark this as second equation. Next, in triangle ABC, OB is median. So area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle BOC. Mark this as third equation. So from 1, 2 and 3, we can say that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle DOC is equals to area of triangle BOC is equals to area of triangle AOB. So hence proved. So he is asking us in a parallelogram, we have to show that the diagonals will divide the parallelogram into 4 triangles of equal area. So it is having equal area.